Today I'm going to be putting curtain panels on the door behind me as a temporary solution to keep it a little cooler in the tiny house while we're working on it. In this video, I'm going to give you an up-close look of these curtain panels and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. These have a really nice grommets at the top. You can see that there is a smooth side, and then on the inside there's these little rivets that hold the grommets together. The fabric on this is really nice. It's densely woven, so it's going to block out a lot of light, but it doesn't have that backing on the side. Both sides are the fabric, so there's no backing here, which is really nice because the other blackout curtains that I've tried, they have this backing stuff, and when the sun hits it so much and so long, the backing starts to break down. So I love that this doesn't have a backing. These block out 100% of the sunlight. Like, I was a little bit skeptical because there's no backing, but there is no sunlight coming through this. You can see the sunlight coming through the bottom, but there's no sunlight coming through the curtains, which is phenomenal. If you're looking for new blackout curtains for your home, I would not hesitate to recommend these.